Kissimmee, the vacation home capital of the world. With over 30,000 in the surrounding area, just a short distance from our biggest theme parks and attractions, we're narrowing things down to one that really stands out. With over 9,000 square feet, 9 bedrooms, an ultra-modern kitchen, and an incredible pool, this is one vacation home you've got to see to believe. I'm Alea Figueroa, and I can't wait to take a look inside. Wow. This is absolutely gorgeous. The design of this home is so fresh and modern, and the vast open floor plan makes it perfect for entertaining any number of guests. My favorite part, this kitchen. It's absolutely amazing, and it has everything you need to make the perfect meal. As we come upstairs, we enter the family game room, which feels more like a private sports bar than anything else. We have this huge space with a dozen TVs, pool, foosball, sports memorabilia, and the thing I'm most excited about, a golf simulator. This is perfect when the heat index is 107 degrees outside. Just stay inside, play with the golf simulator. So one of my favorite features of this house is all of the amazing artwork, because it's not just artwork. It's a secret passageway with an amazing arcade. This is perfect for after a long day at the theme parks, you come home, you get to play games, maybe with a piece of pizza and some soda. Let's play. And if you need some downtime from your vacation, the master bedroom is the perfect place to do just that. But my favorite part about this room is what's behind this door. As soon as you walk in, you have your wine cooler, walk-in closet, and this amazing bathroom. So the next time you're booking your stay in Kissimmee, Florida, be sure to check the availability of the Entertainment Mansion. I'm Alea Figueroa, and I'll see you next time.